There has been so much conflicting news coming into the Shiba Inu ecosystem for a while now, and at this point, all that Shiba Inu holders want to know is whether or not their SHIB investments would ever pump enough to make them rich. Well, we might finally be getting some kind of answer, but you'll have to keep watching this video to find out what I'm talking about. Disclaimer: if you watched yesterday's video, you know that Shiba Inu has received both positive and negative news in recent times. On the one hand, a number of Shiba Inu projects are in the works almost ready to be launched. And on the other hand, Binance, the biggest exchange in the world which also happens to be the largest holder of Shiba Inu tokens, has been sued for fraud. As a result of all of this, SHIB holders have been trying to figure out what to do with their tokens. Is it wise to continue holding on to SHIB tokens hoping that the projects would save the price, or should one pull out their investments now before the effects of the Binance suit start to take a toll? However, while many are still trying to make a decision, it looks like the whales have made their decision, and they have not just decided not to sell their tokens, they have decided to buy more, a lot more. In just the last 24 hours, the amount of Shiba Inu whale transactions increased by over $60 million. And what's even more interesting about this is that the purchases were happening at a time when the price of SHIB was on a slight decline. One might have expected the whales to put off buying SHIB because of the price dump. Instead, they have used it as an opportunity to buy more tokens than they would have probably been able to at SHIB's original price. Stats show that the number of large Shiba Inu transactions increased to an impressive 40 on June 5th, and this was after the number dropped to 16 on June 1st. What's more, there have also been an increase in the number of large SHIB buyers, which is actually quite interesting. So not only have the usual whales been buying SHIB, new whales still think Shiba Inu is viable enough to be purchased at a time like this. Watcher Guru writes that, despite the current bear market in SHIB, it appears that whales are still bullish for Shiba Inu. According to price predictions, analysts expect SHIB to rise in value over the next month. We'll take a deeper dive into SHIB price predictions soon. But before that, I think it bears mentioning that whale purchases are becoming a wider crypto market thing. Meanwhile, if you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. As I mentioned, whale accumulation is becoming more of a crypto-wide thing, which could be great for Shiba Inu. Bitcoin in particular has been proving to be quite attractive to whales, even though the wider crypto market has been trending towards distribution. What this means is that while a number of major cohorts have been selling off their bitcoins because the market has not been recovering well, whales have been scooping them up in large chunks. According to You Today, Glassnode's Bitcoin accumulation trend score shows a stark contrast between whales who are aggressively accumulating and other major cohorts who are experiencing heavy distribution. The dichotomy hints at possible underlying market dynamics. Large investors might be viewing the current Bitcoin price level as an attractive entry point, even as others take the opportunity to secure profits. But how is this a good thing for Shiba Inu? Well, first off, Shiba Inu's performance has been linked with that of Bitcoin for a while now. We've usually seen the price of SHIB increase every time the price of Bitcoin increased. So if the price of Bitcoin increases as a result of the new purchases, we might see the same happen with SHIB. Plus, maybe the Bitcoin purchases would somehow extend to SHIB. Furthermore, You Today mentioned that one of the reasons for the increase in whale purchases of Bitcoin could be because they are trying to take advantage of it as an entry point investment option. Well, you know what token is the perfect entry point crypto option? SHIB. It's a lot more affordable than Bitcoin. So if people can invest in Bitcoin at a time like this, we might be seeing more SHIB purchases soon. Now to the price prediction. SHIB is almost completely back to the point where it was before its big break on October 28, 2021. The token is now down more than 90% from its all-time high, and it doesn't look like this is going to change anytime soon. This is why an analyst has predicted that there might not be much of a change with the price of SHIB before the end of the year. They seem to believe that SHIB has a long way to go before it can hit its all-time high, if it hits it at all. However, it is important to bear in mind that this is just one analyst's opinion, and it is highly subjective. So it is dangerous to make financial decisions based solely on one analyst's opinion. Plus, this analyst obviously doesn't have as much faith in the Shibarian blockchain as the Shiba Inu community. I won't go into it, but we all know why there is so much hype around the launch of Shibarium. It is supposed to shake things up, and if its launch is factored into predictions, then analysts might be more positive about where they see the price of Shib in the next couple of months. Granted, the situation with Binance makes things seem quite gloomy, even with the possibility of Shibarium getting launched soon. One of the biggest enemies to Shib hitting the moon is the abundance of Shib tokens in circulation. With way too many Shib tokens in supply, it is impossible for Shib to be at a decent price because of the simple law of supply and demand. This is why Shiba Inu projects, including the highly anticipated Shibarium, have been designed to contribute their own quota to reducing the amount of Shib in circulation. Considering all of this, having more Shib enter into circulation would be detrimental to what the community and dev team has been trying to achieve. And unfortunately, this is something that we can expect if it turns out that CZ and Binance are guilty of the charges. However, it's important that we do not make any rash decisions. It's best to wait things out and see how the lawsuit unfolds before making any decisions. What's more, waiting things out gives us the opportunity to see how successful Shiba Inu projects can be at rescuing Shib from its current slump. That said, I should mention at this point that I have not given financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before making any kind of decision with your investment portfolio. Meanwhile, there are still some analysts that believe in Shib's potential. But before we get to that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! Sentiment, a popular crypto tracker, actually believes that Shiba Inu is currently undervalued according to its analysis of a combination of short, mid, and long-term realized capitalizations. What this means is that Shib has a lot more room to grow, and Sentiment actually believes that the growth could happen over the summer. Watcher Guru writes that, with many product launches lined up for this year, Shib could make up for all the value it has lost over the past couple of months. Fans and users are eagerly waiting for the launch of Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 protocol. According to lead developer Shytoshi Kusama, Shibarium could be released between June and August. Therefore, we are very close to seeing the Shib blockchain go live. The bottom line here, though, is that Sentiment actually believes in the power of Shibarium to successfully boost the price of Shib, and this is in spite of the other issues that have been happening within the crypto market. It's great to know that the Shiba Inu community is not the only set of people that believe in the viability of Shib. That said, I can't help but remind everyone that this is also just another analyst's opinion. Whether or not the analyst's opinion is something that you want to hear, it remains your duty to do your own research before making any decision as to what to do with your tokens. I'd still love to hear what you think about this whole situation in the comments section below though. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.